Let's insert a SIM card. All you have to need, use the SIM ejector tool. You can easily get the SIM ejector tool from your S25 box. So all you have to need, just insert the SIM ejector tool in this little SIM hole and push gently, and here we can see the SIM tray is come out. Now use your 2 fingers to remove the SIM tray, and here we have to insert our SIM just like so. So this is my SIM. Let's insert the SIM here. So make sure to put the SIM in right way. Now again reinsert the SIM tray, gently push and tap on OK. Now go to your phone settings. In phone settings, tap on connections, tap on SIM manager, and here we can see I've successfully added a physical SIM. And if you want to add a eSIM, just come to this settings again, and this time tap on add eSIM and go ahead and add your eSIM. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.